Kamran. Now I'm going to present my project, the hybrid drowsiness detection system. This system uses both MediaPipe and Dlib libraries for accurate driver drowsiness detection. MediaPipe is used during the calibration process, where Dlib is used for real-time facial landmark detection. Dlib utilizes a 68-point facial landmark predictor, which helps to identify key facial features and calculate the eye aspect ratio, EAR, and mouth aspect ratio. This system continuously monitors the driver's eyes and mouth to detect signs of drowsiness, such as eye closure and yawning. When drowsiness is detected, the system immediately triggers an alarm to alert the driver. Additionally, the system captures an image of a driver, sends an SMS alert using Twilio API, and uploads the captured image to a server through an API. The uploaded image can be viewed and managed through a dashboard built using Medtronic theme template. So let's see how the system works in a real time. Okay, we are on my virtual machine. So here we can see there are two folders. One is the dashboard and drowsiness. So first we will set up the drowsiness mechanism. So I'm opening this project in a VS Code. So yeah, we can see the project, enter a project in the requirement file. So we have to set up we have to install all the requirement in our Python. So I prefer to run this program on my Python virtual environment. So I'm setting a Python virtual environment of version 3.10 or 3.1.0. So now I'm going to create a virtual environment. We're going to create a virtual environment for Python version 3.10 for me. So let's wait a while. Okay, now we just install the Python virtual environment. So we have to activate it. So activate it dot renv. Sorry, you have to type renv. Great. Activate dot ps1. So now we are inside our virtual environment. So now just run a code to install all the requirements. Run this record all the libraries that are helped in this program. So now system is installing all the packages for me. So while it's installing, let's head to the program. So I want to tell you guys, so before running the program, I'll like to inform you that please set up your Twilio API. So here we can see we require an account ISD and authentication token. These both we will get on a Twilio dashboard. So we can copy and paste it over here and comment this out after filling this. Now you can add your number or your friend number if you are using more than one number. So I suggest you to use a list, or if you're using a single number, so you can go with only string, you can remove this list. So now let's wait for the system to install all the working packages. Okay, now we can see the system is installed all the packages successfully. Now we can run our program. Now we are going to set up our dashboard. So and inside of dashboard, I'm going to open this project, my VS Code. So now we have to install the requirement of a dashboard. We can see here. So first, I'm going to create a virtual environment of a Python. So like that. Right. So the system will create a virtual environment for me of a version 3.10 Python. After that, we are going to install the requirements. So before that, we have to uh, move to the virtual environment, create and activate it. Right. And there we go. Now we have to install recursively all the requirements that are present in a requirement file. So the system will install all the packages that are inside of the requirement. So let's wait for a few minutes. So there we go. Everything is installed. So now we can run our dashboard. So I'm running the dashboard Python py. So right, we are deployed our dashboard. So I like to copy this. Yeah, copy one of both, either this or this. So I like to copy my local IP address. So after copy, you have to go to Drowsiness and open upload file. You have to update here URL. Now I updated this. I think that is same as previous, so no, nothing changed. Let's try to sign up first. Sign up. Okay. It says the email is already registered, so I like to go to sign in page. Sorry. Okay. Uh, this is a clean dashboard. You can see here. Here you can toggle to dark mode or light mode. So that's it. Okay, now we are ready to run the program and see the mechanism, how the system works, how the project works. So I like to move to Drowsiness folder and open this project as a inside of virtual inside of VS Studio. So Windows will automatically activate the virtual environment for me, as we can see here. Now we are inside of virtual environment. Now we can start our program by typing python app.py. Before hitting the enter, I like to tell you, so please make sure that the dashboard is running. Make sure that the dashboard project is running, so we won't, so it prevents the error that could be caused by a drowsiness during detection, during uploading the image of a driver. So you can see here our dashboard is running at a local address of port 8001. Okay, now head back to the drowsiness projects. Now we can hit enter. And I'd like to inform you that I am using the mobile camera. You guys can use yours also, or I like you guys. I recommend you guys to use your webcam. That would be the easiest way. Now the server is started. This let me just paste it over here. Scroll down. Okay. Just click on start. I like to run the program with a calibration. Trying with calibration. Okay, now we can see a pop-up. So it's telling me calibrating. Please wait. It's like a 7 second. Okay, now we are ready to go. Now I am closing my eye. Let's check whether this works. Okay, it's work, and I got a SMS from a studio. It's work. Now press K to exit. Okay, load it. That's over. Okay, now let's go to the dashboard. Click on refresh, and here we go. We got the driver ID as well. Timing is, I think there is a little bit editing time where you can handle, you can correct the time. Okay, there we go. We'll just make it work. Let's try again. Again, it's calibrating. Okay, now uh, I like you guys to show that calibrating threshold value. If the EAR is below of this value, it's triggered an alarm. So that's okay. Let's refresh this. Yeah, we got some. It's working. So thank you.